Welcome to another episode of Limitless Trading. We wanted to just show you some of the ideas. I had said that last week, all these areas, 655 was along, 658 was along, 657 is along. Anytime one of these shark pools recovers above the 10 SMA, it's along because we were going to go up to the 665, 666 range. So what do we do next? Now, what we did this morning, because I noticed that in the pre-market, the 665 was resistance right on the overnight session. So I said, okay, no one's finding liquidity and no one's pushing up, right? Because we're kind of getting to the nosebleeds. So on this first green candle, I took a short. My stop loss was 665. I told my guys, let's see if this breaks out. Fine, then my puts will just stop out. But I had shares long that I keep trading around as my cost bases get lower. But I said, if this rejected, the market's going to want to come down to the 663 area and pick up some liquidity. In fact, that's exactly what happened. Now, once I got here, my stop loss hit. I was out of my put, very, very small. I took shares long. I'm not taking too many options when, again, we're in the nosebleed section. But don't assume that we're going to go right back to the next dark pool print. Why? Because this green candle came in, and every candle up until about, what was that, almost 11:30, the EU session, was all red. So I personally was trapped, right? The market kept rolling over. I said, okay, I'm going to hold on to it. Let's see what happens at the next dark pool level. So here, I averaged a little bit more once this green candle held, and I just stayed with it. I told my guys, hey, if this goes down, you may want to have a stop loss. But my stop loss generally is going to be this 660 area, which has found an amazing amount. I've never seen a dark pool hold for so long. Usually it blows under, turns into resistance and goes. But the market wants more, it wants rate cut, it wants good news, and we have the Joe report tomorrow. So what did I do? As soon as my average, I averaged down, as soon as I hit my dark pool and my 10 SMA, I was out of the average down. I kept these original ones, and I said, I'm just going to float these, right? So the 10 SMA kicks in, I'm already average. What happened? Again, the market came down to the 662, turned that green. I said, beautiful, I'm going to add a little bit more. As soon as I hit my dark pool, again, one level at a time up until my 10 SMA, because there's no guarantee that we're going to come up to 665. I'm out again. And I just still have my original here. But I've averaged down twice, took double the base hit on the gains, and just have a little bit here that I'm still stuck with on the breakdown. And what happened at the close, we're above my dark pool of 663.34. Does that mean we're going to go to 665? I personally don't know. We might get some dark pools here overnight that might print, that might say that this area was some sort of dark pool activity, some trade. But what do? I leave a little bit of runners, because if we come down, I could always exit my position or add more and keep averaging and keep averaging and keep averaging, right? So 663.34 breaks out. 665, I'm running even more stops. 666, I'm basically out of everything, and let the market take it. Excuse me. If the market doesn't take it, no problem. I keep reinitiating with the market. If you want information on this, go to the description below. We've partnered with Stan on a reduced Discord fee for a little while. Once we fill up the room, I want to keep it small. We're going to go back to the regular fee. But we'd love to have you join us and learn how to beat the market.